Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about, does Credit Karma show hard inquiries? The short answer is yes, Credit Karma does show hard inquiries. Here's why. Credit Karma provides free credit reports from two of the three major credit bureaus, TransUnion and Equifax. When you apply for new credit, such as a credit card or a loan, the lender performs a hard inquiry on your credit report. This hard inquiry is recorded by the credit bureaus. Since Credit Karma gets its information from TransUnion and Equifax, any hard inquiries on those reports will be visible on your Credit Karma account. It's important to remember that a hard inquiry is different from a soft inquiry. A soft inquiry, like when you check your own credit score on Credit Karma, does not affect your credit score. A hard inquiry, however, can cause a small, temporary dip in your score. By monitoring your Credit Karma account, you can keep an eye on any hard inquiries that appear on your TransUnion and Equifax reports. This helps you track your credit applications and can also alert you to any unauthorized inquiries, which could be a sign of identity theft. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.